Welcome. In the next 60 seconds, you'll see exactly where to tap to add a payment method on TikTok. First, open the TikTok app and make sure you're logged into the correct account. From the main feed, look at the bottom right and tap your profile icon. On your profile screen, find the small 3-line menu icon in the top right corner and tap it. A menu slides up. Choose Settings and Privacy from the list. This opens your main settings area. Next, we'll jump into the payment section. In Settings and Privacy, scroll until you see an option like Balance or Orders and Payments, then tap it. On the Balance or Payment screen, look for Add Payment Method or Manage Payment Methods. Tap Add Payment Method. A new screen opens with options like credit or debit card, PayPal, or other local methods. Choose your preferred option, then carefully type your payment details in the fields provided. Before you continue, double-check that your name, card number, and billing address are all correct. Tap Save or Confirm. Your new payment method is now added and ready to use on TikTok.